Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
We're back with 4 a.m. morning vlogs. I haven't done this in a very fucking long time. I think I'm shooting a video in the morning after probably months, 2-3 months easily. I guess the last time I shot in the morning was during the first lockdown, so I guess that was last year. Fuck. Anyways, man, well, I want to start this video by saying that I had actually uploaded a video yesterday for Sundays with Suraj, which was chest and tricep workout, but I just saw that the video was uploaded but 0 views. Then I went through my mail and got to know that there was a copyright claim by Conor McGregor's audio. He was getting interviewed and that fucking interview has copyright claim on it, so that's pretty weird. It's by Collab Music, so Collab Music, what the fuck you doing, bro? Why the fuck would you have a copyright strike for a damn interview? I was literally listening to that interview and just working out. Nothing more than that. Anyways, man. My nose is getting long. Much better. Anyways, so we have that thing there, and apart from that, there is another thing which I actually wanted to speak about. This is actually kind of interesting, and I think I'm seeing this around with a lot more people nowadays, and not just with other people but also with myself. And that's the whole purpose of this video right here. Well, I see a lot of people saying that, oh, I just got a notification Vidya has joined Telegram. It's 4:20 in the morning, so you know what she up to. Anyways, I see a lot of people saying that I'm having a lot of pressure to create content, or I'm running out of ideas to create content. Well, like, I have 2 takes on this. First of all, I cannot relate because I do not fucking create content with any specific storyline or a script written. I just fucking remove my phone and start recording. That takes me to the other point as to actually that's not my second point, that's my first point. I cannot relate. So honestly, maybe that's true, but at the same time I feel like you can literally plan your shit out better. You feel like, that's what I think. I feel like people who say I'm running out of ideas to create content, they haven't planned shit properly. You can literally write down what you want to do for 25 or 30 days straight, man. And I know people who do exactly that. They have their content written down and they know when to do what. So, if you feel like you've got no content you can make, just try to see what all you can do and then write down things you might want to do. I think that would help you out. But yeah, now coming to the second point, I told you I cannot relate. One of the reasons for that is just this: I do not have any scripted shit. I remove my phone. If I stutter, I stutter. If I fuck up, I fuck it up. There is no edits in my video, so I literally document my entire journey. And yeah, whenever I feel like I have nothing to document about, I literally remove videos from my phone. I have shit ton of videos from my... I'm 22 years old, so I have shit ton of videos of 22 years. Like, I'm 22 years old, so I have content, somewhat content from the age of 16. From the time I got a phone, I might have some type of video content, right? So whenever I feel like not uploading shit, I just go through my library, get some video footage and just upload that instead. Hey, this way I'm at least not going to that statement of I have nothing to put out, so I'm not gonna put out. Well, I do have something to put out. I took my time to see what all I could do and then did something. That's another way, and that's the way I would like to go with, rather than going with any excuse. I'm not saying people use anything as an excuse, but there are always alternatives. If you literally sit down and look for it, there's so many fucking alternatives, man. You don't have to do a single form of content. And yeah, how, like, look at this, I'm literally documenting right now. If you have no content to create, you can document whatever you want to do. Let's just say if you're a girl and you like makeup, you can literally put up your camera and just do your makeup. Or if you're a guy, for me, the first thing which is coming is workout. So, if you're a guy who likes to work out, put your damn phone and work out. And yes, I do use that as a form of content. I was literally saying in the start of this video that yesterday for Sundays with Suraj, I had uploaded a video which was chest and tricep workout. So, even this video, man, look at this. I might, even I got the feeling of I have nothing to upload or nothing to talk about. And look, what the fuck am I doing? I'm literally documenting the entire mind process of me thinking I do not have anything to talk about. So, I took that entire thought and documented my entire point of view on it on my phone. So, that also created some content. So, you don't have to create content, you can also document content. That's an easier way. And honestly, that's why I go with documentation. And also because I can speak to a phone much fluently rather than enacting something out. It's authentic because it's look, these are the fuck ups I'm talking about. It's authentic because it's authentic. We don't we don't come with a script. We're talking about shit. No, it's not here. See, like, if you look at stuff, I have stuff written down everywhere. Over there's another board there. Over here, actually, I have shit written down saying to do. So these to do's are basically certain ideas that I can do at any point of day or at any point of the week. So again, I'm talking about these to do's for you people who think that you have no fucking ideas for content. Just take out a piece of paper and write down all the ideas you think you can work on, and then go through this same list again and then pinpoint the ideas which you think are funny or which you think you like more than any other idea. Circle them and see what you can do about it. Or you could make a video like me making a video documenting a video on not having content when I literally had nothing to talk about. 7 minutes, boys. That's some skill.